Mark, where are we going?
To Nettingsdorf.
To what?
Nettingsdorf.
No, where are we going today? Hello.
To IKEA.
Where?
IKEA.
We're going to IKEA.
Straight from here.
Yeah.
Just get a shot of this. And look at the picture closely. You see it now?
Ah, I do. We're going there.
To the beacon.
The beacon.
It's like the two towers.
We're gonna walk. The train just dropped us off in, where are we?
Nettingsdorf.
Nettingsdorf. It's a very lovely day. All right, let's do it. It smells amazing.
He loves you. Gonna
No.
get you.
No, get away. Well, we found the first one. This is for red. Nobody here has on a mask.
Yeah?
Yeah. Was it in here?
No, it's in the decorations.
Oh. This is a good candidate for something that would sit on a table and fit the bell. See, I like stuff like this and like this because it doesn't obscure the electronic bits on the inside.
Can you get something inside of that hole is the question.
Probably on the bottom. I'd have to cut into the bottom, I think, but
Okay, you have to widen it out or something.
yeah,
Alright, if you can get it in there.
I'll get it in there. Is this guy?
This one, Gotorp.
Yeah. And then we found all of our glass except for one. I think Mark and I kind of decided to not even do the glass bells and just stick them inside of lantern fixtures since they're not being hung. So the whole facade with the acrylic and the glass doesn't even really need to be used. So I'm thinking I might just scratch it at this point.
That might be interesting.
So we're just going to get lamps today. So I'm thinking, they're not lamps, lanterns. No glass. So lantern, lantern, lantern. Then we should be in the lamp section.
You wanna go back to lamps?
Yes. Lamp. Cup. Teacup. Okay. Do you see anything that pleases you? So it needs to fit on the tabletop. So these are gigantic.
You could flip that over and then flip the...
But then it's not like a lantern, remember?
This is interesting. Get rid of all that crap and just the frame and the glass looks nice.
Like an actual lamp that you could put a lampshade on, like a lamp-ass lamp. Like,
lamps are just lamps in another section.
but like,
They're all ceiling lamps.
but I need a thing like this that I can
There's a section.
retrofit the. No, I need like the fixture that I can modify, and I don't think I'm gonna find that, is what I'm saying. I don't have any chopping tools with me.
We have tools in the basement. This one's nice. You just drop that over.
It's like a
Get rid
marshmallow.
of this part, right? Well, too, but
Ah.
That could just lower over the top of the city one.
Ooh. Hello. Why are you hiding back here? Ooh.
That's got candles and everything, honey.
I know.
That's too big.
No, it's not.
It's the whole table because it sticks out.
Oh, but I like it. What
You
about
do that. Just set it on the table.
Hi. Where are you?
All right.
Where are you? Why are you hiding from me? Is this what the flag boat? No, it's not. Okay. Is it
Apple Vicken, yeah.
Apple. No, that's the Crystal Laren, and then there's the Apple
Crystal Laren
Vicken.
is the other one.
Ah.
And I think they have.
So this one's more expensive than the. I kind of really like the Apple Vicken. Because, I mean, it's pretty gorgeous. And I think I'm gonna figure out a way to make it work somehow. Mark's not gonna like it. No.
Put it inside. You got all this body and stuff happening. Yeah.
I like that.
I think you do. It's going way outside. You could do that.
Everything's too modern looking then.
That's what I want.
No.
This is nice. You just set this over. Like, you could just set that on the table, but that could be in there.
But then everything's super modern looking.
Yes.
I have no idea how that fits in here. But okay. No, it's a big drum.
Yeah.
No. All the other ones are modern. We need one, like, not modern thing.
There's the wicker one over there. I'm sure the tower is black,
I mean, we kind of had to.
Do you need some?
Yes. Semph me, please.
I need to put it on the tray.
Mission success?
I guess.
You guess?
You gotta get home.
Okay. All right. Fine. Home going. I don't know. Here?